So this is our aFe drop-in filter. Super easy. It literally is just gonna go in the box just like that. So literally all you gotta do is unclip the clips over here. Bam, bam. Pop the box off. Just lift it up. Take out our paper intake, right? That stock one, still pretty clean, not bad. And we're just gonna drop this in. Lift up, drop in, make sure it's in there. It's nice. Put this back down, slide it back onto its own clips. Make sure you put it all the way deep. There we go. And then you just push it back over and push these clips back on. That's literally it. That's all it takes to do your aFe drop-in intake. Now that's the first half of our stage 1 Cyclone kit. Next, we're just going to be replacing this tube, and that's it.